Hi, I'm Aamir Sharma. I am an architect. I bought a Range Rover 3 years ago, and the first 2 months the whole car started having a lot of scratches because of sights and construction activity around the area where I would travel. I met Nishant Sabu through a friend, and they suggested to go through with a ceramic pro coating. That's the first time we did this coat, and my car was like brand new. It's been 3 years ever since, and the car looks brand new even today. It's an amazing product, and I think a lot of cars in India do require this product because especially very high-end cars. I bought a Porsche 911. I had a ceramic pro done on that through Nishant again, and the car looks brand new today. And just recently I bought a Lamborghini, and he's done a fabulous job on that. Just a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Ceramic Pro, and Sam, thank you so much, Nishant. Just an amazing guy.